Hey guys, welcome to another video. As it did last year with iPhone 7, Apple announced the launch of a red version of the iPhone 8 and 8 Plus as part of Red's initiatives. The Red campaign is based on a portion of the phone sales revenue of the AIDS campaign in Africa. The iPhone 8 and 8 Plus comes from the back in red and from the front in black compared with last year when the facade was white. This version does not differ in terms of specifications from the rest of the official versions. The only difference is the color. The phone will be launched online on April 10th and will be shipped from Friday, April 13th, the same date as in the company's stores around the world. The phone will be launched in two versions in terms of storage space, 64 and 256 gigabytes. The price of the red color, the same price as the standard version, starts from $700 for iPhone 8 and $800 for iPhone 8 Plus. The company also offers leather and other silicone covers for iPhone SE and even newer iPhones like iPhone 10. She also put an athletic belt for Apple Watches with the same color and another leather. Also among the red products were Beats Solo 3 wireless headphones and a Beats Pill Plus portable speaker, iPod Touch and a battery-protected cover for the iPhone 7, and Apple closed the red products with a smart cover for iPads. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel to get last updates. Thank you for your time and thanks for watching this video. Take care and peace out.